اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
Let's see that gate.
Where the hell is this sound coming from?
Over here! Don't let them escape!
He found us!
You! Let's kill the bastards! They're here! Stop them!
Oh no!
Over here! Don't let them escape!
We've been spotted!
That's the best you can do! They're here! Stop them!
We've been seen!
Split up! Search the area!
Let's go!
No point searching here. Better move on to another area. Everything seems clear.
Over here! Don't let them escape!
They're upon us.
Here! Capture them!
I think they went up
Found
there.
them! Don't let them escape!
They found us.
Soldiers, helmeted. We'll have to sneak around. Hopefully there's a side way to pass that gate. What do you think is behind it?
No way too soon.
I found them. Come help me.
Damn it!
It must be them!
Hiding, are we? I'll still find you.
Let's see elsewhere.
Maybe they went over there.
I got them! Get over here!
Oh no!
Intruders! Come with me! Trying to take cover, eh? They can't escape! Track them down!
They've seen us.
You think this is over? Say your last words. Come on!
Over here. Don't let them escape.
They're onto us!
Found them! Don't let them escape!
Damn it!
They're upstairs!
Found them. Come help me.
Oh no!
They can't escape! Track them down!
We've been spotted.
Over here. Don't let them escape.
They're upon us.
Move fast. Catch the intruders. Looks like that's it. I'll teach you a lesson.
I got them! Get over here!
They found us.
Give up. I won't say it twice. You're in behind there. I'll root them out. Track them down!
They're onto us!
I got them! Get over here!
Damn it!
Found them! Come help!
It's over! And you know it!
That's the best you can do!
They can't escape! Track them down!
We've been spotted.
They took cover back there! I'm going! Found them! Don't let them escape!
They found us.
I got them!
Trespassers hiding right behind there! Let's get them! They're here! Stop them!
They've seen us.
Can't be far! It was useless to flee!
They're upon us.
You're done for!
We've been spotted.
Look who came to me!
We've been seen!
I'm sure they're still around! You're done for!
Oh no!
How did they manage to disappear? Look who came to me!
They found us.
Through here.
Yes.
Steadiest I can go!
No. Lord, it looks like a battlefield.
What happened here?
I don't know, but let's follow that cart and keep our eyes open.
Shit! Oh, come on.
I think I know what happened to this place.
And they're repeating the same mistake.
Do something for pity's sake! It's stuck! Just help us! They're coming!
If they don't calm down,
I think it's too late. They're here.
We're dead!
Don't go any further, Amici. This is possible.
there are so many! How are we going to cross that? That liquid on the ground, it's from their jars.
It smells like tar. If it is, it's highly flammable. Try setting it on fire.
Yes, let's try.
I didn't expect that. Neither did they.
Careful with those flames.
That brazier, it can be pushed.
Yes. This is all wrong.
Let's hope Marseille is different.
Wait until the rats invade it.
Amicia, the Order will have special buildings in Marseille. Equipment and people.
People like Voda? How do you think this will end? Staying here is dying anyway. It won't go further.
Joseph's boat.
We're getting closer. More of them.
That building on the left looks safer.
Lucas, a stupefaccio, please.
Sure. Get ready. Quickly. We don't have much time.
Lucas, a stupefaccio would be useful.
Good idea. At the flash, start moving. Hurry, it'll fade away soon.
Let's try through here.
What a mess.
Whoa, that smell.
Tar. Makes your head spin.
I don't hear any rats.
No. But they were here. Look at this.
Lord, what is all this?
A tar workshop. They must use it to seal boat hulls. These mechanisms are still intact.
It smells different here.
Resin. This is a mixing pool. That barrel up there must be the diluent.
We should move on. Oh no!
Stay back!
They're bombarding!
Alicia! What a mess.
Whoa, that smell.
Tar. Makes your head spin.
I don't hear any rats.
No. But they were here. Look at this.
Lord, what is all this?
A tar workshop. They must use it to seal boat hulls. These mechanisms are still intact.
It smells different here.
Resin. This is a mixing pool. That barrel up there must be the diluent.
We should move on. Oh no!
Stay back!
They're following us!
Don't panic! We have resin. It just needs that diluent up there, and we get tar.
A pool of tar. That could be our way to that door in the back.
That barrel is pretty high, though.
We could find a way to reach it.
Let's see. These ropes make the platform move. Operators climbed on it with that ladder, behind the grating.
We must get over there.
Well spotted.
So we're making tar now.
I know, but it shouldn't take us long.
Well, let's get to it.
Good. Shall I handle the reservoir part? What do you think?
Yes, go up that ladder. I'll move the platform closer.
On my way. Yes! Turn it all the way!
Leave it to me.
Good! Hold it until I tell you.
All right.
I'm ready!
I'm letting go. Hang on.
Whoa! Come back to the basins.
Coming.
The diluent. I see. It's alcohol, of course.
Let me take... Are we ready?
Yes! Let's make that tar! Pouring!
Do you know the quantities?
No! I'm improvising.
Please, don't kill us.
Good. I think you can light it up.
All right.
Let's see what our tar's worth.
It's working.
Yes! Well, that's one step.
What now? I'm stuck.
Wait! I think they experimented with some ingredients here and... Yes, that could work. I'll throw them to you.
Those beasts are really close.
Here. Say when you're ready to catch.
Go!
You've got resin and alcohol now. Mix them.
Here we go. Done.
Perfect. Now throw a pot of tar between those two big basins. Here. Say when you're ready to catch. You've got resin and alcohol now. Mix
Here we
them.
go. Done.
Perfect. Now throw a pot of tar between those two big basins.
Perfect.
Yes! That last pool there is already full of tar.
Coming. You saved my skin.
The tar did. This stuff works miracles.
Anyway, thank you.
No need for that. Our boat should be straight ahead, right?
Don't be too sure about that.
Listen, Amicia. About Hugo. I was stuck between Magister Vaudin and your mother, and I have no excuse. I was wrong.
It's just... I wasn't prepared. I can't lose him. I can't.
We'll do what's right.
We will.
Over there. Joe's ship. We're quite close.
Yes, let's go. Oh, they're here. It's infested down there.
Wait, look. There's resin down there. And a barrel of diluent over there. They were making more tar here.
Let's use it to open a way to our boat then.
Yes. Back to making tar.
What a...
Hey! Who are you? Did you get that bridge down?
Yes, we're just crossing.
Crossing? How? I've been stuck here for hours with those rats. I need to get out of here.
We have a plan. Can you send us that footbridge?
Yes. Wait a moment.
He seems reasonable.
He's scared.
Good for us then.
And here we go again.
They don't like fire, right?
Yes.
Good. How are you going to light that up?
We have ways.
I don't see any torches around.
Just wait. All right. That's something.
Hey! What's that flaming thing you threw in there?
That's,
It's homemade. Basic alchemy.
Alchemy. We don't much like all that around here.
too bad. All right, let's see what you do.
Two other basins ahead.
Let's get to it then.
Amicia, you should get on that
We're
footbridge
fleeing
to
this
manage
place.
the diluent. I'll handle the crank to get it moving.
Yes, and people are dying anyway, so we're taking our chance.
I see.
It controls the footbridge.
We need... Great! It's in position. Lucas, that's a job for you.
Fine.
Hey! You're passing over the basin. Slow down! You went too far. Go back a bit. You're too far! The alcohol's not falling in!
Amicia, wait! The second basin isn't lit yet.
You're right. Let's finish this one first. We'll come back to the second basin later. All right, let go.
Agreed.
Here we go. There you go. My eyes!
Look, over there. Joe's ship. We're quite close.
Yes, let's go. Oh, they're here. It's infested down there.
Hey, look. There's resin down there. And a barrel of diluent over...
Hey! Who are you? Did you get that bridge down?
Yes, we're just crossing.
Crossing? How? I've been stuck here for hours with those rats. I need to get out of here.
We have a plan. Can you send us that footbridge?
Yes. Wait a moment.
He seems... reasonable.
He's scared.
Good for us, then.
And here we go again.
They don't like fire, right?
Yes.
Good. How are you going to light that up?
We have ways.
I don't see any torches around.
Just wait. All right. That's something.
Hey! What's the...
Take care of it, Lucas.
Straight away.
So where are you going anyway?
We're fleeing this place.
You two do it in the middle of a lockdown.
Yes, and people are dying anyway, so we're taking our chance.
I see. Hey! You're passing over the basin. Slow down! You went too far. Go back!
Amicia, wait! The second basin isn't...
You can let go.
Fine.
Here we go. There you go. My eyes!
Good teamwork. You're surprisingly efficient for civilians.
Great! We've had to rely on ourselves a lot. And done!
Light it up, Amicia!
Lucas, you can come! The way's clear!
All right!
doing with it?
That's confidential.
Right.
Look, over there. Joseph's ship. We're quite close.
Yes, let's go. Oh, they're here. It's infested down there.
Wait, look. There's resin down there. And a barrel of diluent over there. They were making more tar here.
Let's use it to open a way to our boat then.
Yes. Back to making tar.
What a day.
Hey! Who are you? Did you get that bridge down?
Yes, we're just crossing.
Crossing? How? I've been stuck here for hours with those rats. I need to get out of here.
We have a plan. Can you send us that footbridge?
Yes. Wait a moment.
He seems reasonable.
He's scared.
Good for us then.
And here we go again.
They don't like fire, do they?
Yes.
Good. So how are you going to light that up?
We have ways.
I don't see any torches around.
Just wait. All right. That's something.
Hey! What's that flaming thing you threw in there?
That's,
It's homemade.
Lucas, that's up to you.
Immediately.
So where are you going anyway?
We're fleeing this place.
You two do know we're in the middle of a lockdown.
Yes, and people are dying anyway, so we're taking our chance.
I see. Hey! You're passing over the basin. Slow down! You went too far. Go back a bit.
That's enough. Let go.
Straight away.
Great. It's in position. There.
Time to light this one too.
Leave it to me. It's in your hands, Lucas.
Agreed.
There you go. There's still a boat blocking the way.
This one's yours to lift. Good teamwork. Surprisingly efficient for civilians.
We've had to rely on ourselves a lot.
We're almost there. Just fill up that last basin.
Stop now.
Immediately.
And done.
Light it up, Amicia.
Lucas, you can come. The way's clear.
All right.
No, the light doesn't reach far enough.
There should be a way.
Yes, just throw tar directly into the fire. It will boost the flames for a while.
That's... Well, yes, that will work.
All right, let's try. It worked perfectly! Thank you!
That was actually pretty smart.
We may not know alchemy, but we've dealt with our fair share of tar, all right?
We saw the jars! What are you doing with it?
That's confidential.
Right.
You're almost there.
I've made it!
Great.
I'll be damned. You did it. Hey, can you use your thing again? I'm stuck here.
I'll try. Yes.
No! Time to meet him face to face.
We'll be careful. Who knows what he'd have done if we'd met in the city?
Follow orders.
Yes, no matter what they were.
Woo, that was good work.
We did it!
I'm lucky you decided to break the law tonight.
We should go now, no?
Yes, we're in a hurry.
Sure, I'll escort you back home.
Actually, we must keep going that way.
Impossible. You're going back home.
Oh, come on!
Let us go! We did our part. Can you use the stupefaccio, Lucas? Lucas, a stupefaccio, please.
Yes. When the smoke's out, move fast. Quickly! We don't have much time.
Lord,
These people.
I'm done trusting any of them.
Yes.
All right, let's get to work. This should make things a bit easier. Let's see that boat.
It's a public health matter. You should have left when you still could, Joseph.
I am waiting for a client, and I always honor my contracts, my friend.
Consider your contract cancelled then. The harbour's locked down and you're trespassing.
He's our man.
Yes, and trouble's coming. We need
All right, you know what? I have better places to be.
No. You've seen too much. I'm arresting you.
Oh, come on. You know what? Piss off!
Joseph, wait!
Stay where you are!
We're here on behalf of Magister Voda. We need to leave town.
What do you think I'm doing? This place is a mess!
Please! We're stuck here! There's a child with us!
All right, all right. Meet me at the next pontoon! Who are you? Where's the captain? Shit! Intruder! Move now!
Yes, come on.
That was close.
Yes.
Hey, you heard that? You came from the pontoon. Come with me!
Soldiers!
To cover.
Hey!
Damn. We're stuck. What was that? Joseph broke a chain of tar. You reacted with the torch. That's a quick way to do it. Lucas, it's getting too dangerous. We'll get killed. We'll miss that boat. I need to use my sling again.
Yes. Do what you must. We need that boat at all costs.
Good. Let's go.
We're over there!
Lucas, a stupefactio would be useful. Lucas, a stupefactio, please.
Yes. When the smoke's out, move fast. Hurry, it'll fade away soon. Fire in the middle.
Yes, it's huge.
I smell tar. So this is what they've been doing with it.
Someone's scared of the dark, it seems.
No one here. What the hell? They have to be hiding over there. You're mine!
They're upon us.
Can you use the stupefactio, Lucas?
Yes. When the smoke's out, move fast. Quickly. We don't have much time. That fire. It's not wood burning. It's bodies.
This is where they all end up.
We're out of tar and bodies keep coming.
Well, it means our cleaners are making progress.
This is not cleaning. Most of these people weren't even sick. The beast is emptying the city. It's a massacre.
They're onto us!
It's over for you. Of course.
Yes. Trap people inside, then get rid of them.
This is a war strategy. As soon as the is chosen, we must hurry back to the house.
I know you're over here. Here! I see them!
We've been seen!
They've seen us. If the Count has been here, maybe he'd have been reasonable. We could have asked for a meeting and...
And what? Tell them we're bringing them rats and death. There's no escaping this. There never was.
It's too late anyway. This is the epicenter.
Oh no!
Someone's lurking about! Search every corner!
I won't trot across. They must be behind that.
Move it! We've got intruders! Let's kill the bastards! Over here! Seize them! Oh, no!
That was close.
Yes.
Hey! You heard that? He came from the pontoon! Come with me!
Soldiers!
To cover.
Ah! Hey!
Damn. No, we're stuck.
What was that? Joseph broke a chain of tar. You reacted with the torch.
That's a quick
Nothing. Wait.
It came from that way. See them? This way!
They're after us!
He found us!
We're out of the harbour. Why are there soldiers here? Making sure no one escapes the city. Look at that fire in the middle. Yes, it's huge. I smell tar. So this is what they've been doing with it. Someone's scared of the dark, it seems.
I always knew something was wrong with the
The fire. It's not wood burning, it's bodies.
This is where they all end up.
We're out of tar and bodies keep coming.
Well, it means our cleaners are making progress.
This is not cleaning. Most of these people weren't even sick. The beast is emptying the city. It's a massacre.
They're all potentially sick. We can't take the risk of letting anyone out. You know it.
That's why they locked the city down.
Yes. Trap people inside, then get rid of them.
This is a war strap.
Lucas, throw us tube at you.
Well done. Get ready. Hurry, it'll fade away soon.
What's that?
That fire won't last much longer without tar.
What's moving there?
Over here! We've got company!
They're upon us!
Intruders here! Stop the intruders! They shouldn't be here! Get up! Intruders here!
They've seen us!
They shouldn't be here! Get up! They take the cover! With me now! We've got trespassers!
See what you're getting. We could take a look.
They shouldn't be here! Get up! You and me, we're not done yet! Move fast! Carry the intruders! Come with me!
Where's Joseph's boat?
The pontoon has to be behind that gate. If he's docked already, he could be in trouble. We have to move faster.
You! Let's kill the bastards!
Let's do this quickly. He's there.
Damn! I thought you'd never make it. Come.
Thanks for not letting us down.
And for the helping hand.
Well, you did your part. Now, where is the rest of the group?
In town, getting ready to leave. I need...
Hugo.
What have they done? I'll go get them. You come get us on the docks by the house.
Be careful!
What's going on?
What do you think it was?
I don't know, but it woke me up.
There, the house.
A bad omen, I tell you.
Curfew is still in effect. Go back to your homes.
What's going on? Tell us the truth.
Enough lies. No, run! All of you! No! No! Come on! I told them this would happen. I'm sure it's that goddamn Boda. There! The house! I can do it! What? Oh no! 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 Coming to you!
Get up! We must go!
Don't stay there, lady! They're coming!
Behave in front of the beast. You're cold meat now. Food for the crows.
Lucas!
The stairs! Run! It won't last!
What was that?
I call it stupefaction. You'll get used to it.
That was efficient.
Wow, they still have my sling.
Now's not the time.
That will slow them down. You saved our skin down there.
Yes. Where to now?
There should be a walkway or a roof.
There's a window there.
It overlooks a roof, Lucas. No choice. Oh, Lord, that's high.
Is it safe?
Sort of. Come.
Oh, wow. This is really not safe at all.
Shh, calm down. Come. I think it's the only way out of here.
Are you joking?
No, just stick to the wall.
Oh, please. Please.
You can do it. Sorry to put you through this. This is my fault.
I honestly don't care right now.
There's another roof. Almost there. Did it.
Let's get up this roof. Please.
I hope they managed to secure.
God, I can't do anything. Let's pass through it quietly. Here.
What is it? More requisitions?
From the outskirts. Butcher's District Gate.
Ah, you're the ones who met that crazy girl, right?
That bloody witch in her sling. But the beast's got her. And we've got enough meat to hold out for a week.
Nice work. Get to the depot fast. The girl is to be hanged soon. There'll be quite a crowd.
Oh, I'll be there.
Another guard. Oh, he won't move. But there's a fire. Do you still have some of your smoke thing?
The stupefaction. Yes. Tell me whenever you're ready.
Lucas, throw a stupefaction.
Yes. Smoke spreads. Quickly. We don't have much time.
Hugo is somewhere down there. I hope he's all right.
The city's days are numbered.
Yes. Let's go back to our house.
What's the point of stocking up for a siege? I'm not saying people won't panic, but a riot?
They'll want to flee the city. The problem will be when they realise they can't.
Do you know where we're going?
No, just pushing forward.
Hey, are you finished, by the way?
Under the table. Quick.
Oh, no.
Cleaning the depot.
I've been doing just that for 2 days. Let me take my break, goddammit.
Stay still. Let's go.
I'm so damn tired. I can't sleep with all this going on.
It's so close. We need to find a way down.
Can't wait to be back home.
Mother will be so furious. I let everyone down.
Don't think about that now.
Oh, Lucas, I think we found that depot.
Really? Yes, you're right. So that means the nightshade should be somewhere here.
And my sling too. All right, you look for the nightshade. I'll look for my sling. We may need it.
Right, nightshade. I hope it's still in my pouch. Dry plants, powders. Keep looking.
Weapons. Swords, knives. No sling. Let's try somewhere else. Let's pray no one comes in. Or we're...
No. Don't say that word.
Yes.
No. But that could be useful anyway.
What's that? No.
Maybe here?
Come on.
Let's keep this for later.
Oh, what a mess. Please. They could come in at any time.
Come on, where's that nightshade?
Looks locked. Maybe with a knife? Oh, here you are. I've got it.
Careful with that, all right?
I know.
That smell.
Let's get to the door and get out of here.
Yes! I've got the nightshade, Amicia.
Finally. This hasn't been for nothing.
So, how long before we go?
Don't know, don't care. You don't want to go out there, believe me.
Damn, the gate is right there.
There are too many. We can't sneak past them.
And we can't stay either. We need a plan.
I don't know. This place is full of things.
Let's take a look around.
Of course. You see what I see?
What?
Up there.
The ballista.
Listen. I've gathered enough materials here to make a large quantity of stupefactio. So we stick the paste to the tip of the bolt, shoot it, and hopefully the friction from the impact will light it up.
And we'll get enough smoke to blind them all.
If it works.
We don't have any better ideas. Let's get that ballista down.
There's a crank up there.
How can we climb up? I don't see anything.
There has to be something.
Hey, go fetch more men! We're doubling the head count on patrols.
We must hurry. There'll be even more soon.
Well, I don't know. This place is a mess. There could be... There! I found a cart.
Yes, well done. Let's get that in place. They're far too quiet.
The mess in town must be playing to our advantage.
Yes, they're getting scared. Let's man that crank. Let's go. Oh, this thing is heavy.
Have you ever used something like this before?
Of course not. What? Oh, there's a counterweight.
I could handle the crank if you want.
Yes, Lucas, that's your job.
Naturally. Down we go.
It's working.
Yes. Amicia, you can break that chain.
Yes. A damn lock. Wait, I know this. Lucas, they have a map of Guyenne.
Really? What's it doing here?
I don't know. Here's the ocean, the lake. Home was... It was around here, yes.
Hey, don't torture yourself with this right now.
Yes. It's all in the past. Oh, damn.
What was that?
I broke a knife, but it was worth it. Plenty of things in here. I should keep an eye out. There could be more of those chests. Much better. Let's see what can be done. The chain's cut. You can let go.
Good.
Let's get it to the door, quick. We've only got one shot.
I know.
If we fail, Hugo will be alone and
we'll die.
And we don't want that. Let's stop here.
Wait. The stupefaccio.
This is crazy, Lucas.
I think we're past that point.
All right.
It's set. I think the crank on the side arms it.
I'm on it. So, when do you open the doors?
I won't. Shoot through it. We need friction to get the reaction.
What? But we don't even know if it will go through.
Too late for that.
Get ready.
I am.
At last, what took you so long?
Well,
The herbalist was out when we arrived. We had to wait. But we have everything.
We shall give this to him.
Yes, we've lost enough time already.
How is he?
Exhausted. He fell asleep when it calmed down.
Please
He's
tell him.
fine. He's in good hands. The best you can be sure.
I hope so. For your sake.
Huh.
don't. I know it's hard, but it has to be done.
It's been 2 days. How can you stand there and do nothing? He doesn't deserve this. I'm taking him out of this.
Carrier reaching the last threshold is a very rare event. A critical one. Of course, from now on, we need to isolate him. The Order has special buildings.
You want to lock him away?
Do you know what your brother is capable of? He will do much worse.
Hey! He's a child! This is not his fault! And the more you hurt him, the more rats are out there and the more people die!
This is why we need to take him away. His power will grow stronger as his days draw shorter.
Magister, please.
What do you mean?
Amicia, Hugo is condemned.
The last threshold means the death of the carrier.
No. There must be a way. Lucas
Your
managed...
friend bought you time when your brother reached the first threshold, but this is something else. There is no stopping it. No elixir, no potion.
Wait. There's an island. He keeps talking about an island. Maybe the macula is behind it.
It is a child fantasy.
So what's a child's fantasy doing on the wall of your laboratory? Yes. What's out there?
Poor girl. You're running away from reality. You must accept your brother's fate and your own. And the fate of a protector is to do as the Order commands.
I don't give a damn about your order! I don't know you, I don't work for you! Let me see him!
Hugo is tired, Amicia. You can't enter his room in your state.
Let me pass!
Not until you've calmed down. You said it yourself. The macula feeds on his emotion.
Ah!
We are going to the Order's quarters in Marseille as soon as possible. I've got a boat and a man, Joseph, waiting at the harbor. He needs to be warned. As for me, I'm going to rest. Let me know when you're ready to go.
Lucas, please go to the harbor and find this Joseph.
Yes, Magistra. Amicia, you should come.
Be careful. Both of you.
Are you... all right?
No. Did you know about Hugo?
I wanted to tell you, but...
You should have. We're talking about my brother, Lucas.
I didn't know Magister Vaudin would tell you like this.
God, I can't. Let's just keep going.
Fine.
Hear ye! A curfew has been ordered by the Count of all. All townsfolk stay in your homes.
A patrol.
What's going on? The city's under lockdown. Anyone caught in the street will be arrested.
There we are. They're locking down the whole city.
Remember the locked district?
They wouldn't dare purge a whole city, would they?
I don't know.
We need that boat quickly.
There is no need to panic. The army of Provence has the situation under control.
Yes. Now tell them what your control means.
Look, that watchtower at the back. It leads to the harbor.
Get ready, men. We'll move our load to the docks soon.
The docks? That's where we're going, isn't it?
Those cages on their guard. I think they're bodies from the arena.
So this is where they take them.
Amicia, when we're there, you'll hold your sling, all right? We don't need another barn situation. So, no more killing soldiers.
Don't worry. I heard you the first this time. I'll find other ways. We're here, right?
You asked me to ask Magister Vodan about the island. The fresco in his lodge.
What did he say?
He said it's just a symbol.
A two-peak symbol, just as in Hugo's dream.
I know. The island, the macula waking up, the order. It's too much.
Glad to hear you say it. It helps me not to feel alone in this.
You're not. I'm here. I'm sorry, Amicia. For Hugo.
He's not dead yet.
All right. Remember, no more killing soldiers. No more killing us.
I got it. No kills, no being spotted. Let's get this boat. We're here. So where's our boat?
Red and white sail. Right there.
It's still there. Good.
I hope our pilot is too.
Good point.
Come on! You should be at the gates already!
Here they are. Keep moving. Quiet.
Get off my back. We can't afford to break these jars.
The city's running out of time.
The city needs these jars intact, so settle down.
Enough arguing, soldiers. Move! Move!
What are they doing? Getting in more trouble, I'd say.
We should just leave this place.
I heard it left nothing but mass graves when it happened in Guyenne.
Yes. And soon you will take your place in one.
This lockdown is gonna get them all killed.
Yes. It's going to be terrible. A real rat's carnival.
All right, open the gate!
You, greenhorns, you got your orders.
Watch over the jars until we reach the other side.
Our lives depend on it. Now stop praying and let's go.
Look at that wall.
Yes. They built it in a hurry. And it's blocking our path to the boat.
Let's get closer.
Good luck, lads.
I heard this city used to be a commercial door to the Mediterranean Sea.
Now it will be a door for the spread of the bite.
That's depressing.
There's some abandoned cargo here. I think it's silk. Lucas, look. Real silk.
It probably came from China. I've never seen so much. There's a fortune here.
Someone made this. On the other side of the world.
Do you think it's the same in China? Do you think they have the rats too?
Maybe not. Not yet.
We have to stop this.
There's some abandoned cargo here. I think it's silk. Wait. Wait. I know this. Look at... There's some abandoned cargo here. I think it's silk. Lucas, look. Real silk.
It probably came from China. I've never seen so much. There's a fortune here.
Someone made this. On the other side of the world.
Do you think it's the same in China? Do you think they have the rats too?
Maybe not.